Hello, good morning everyone. How are you today? My name is Mr. Bintang. Today I will teach you about physical education and we will learn the material of how to passing in football. Let's begin the lesson today. Who is absent today? No one is absent ya. Okay, before we start, we pray together. Pray, begin. Finish. Please everybody do stretching first. Okay, Dimas, you lead the stretching. Finish the stretching ya. Okay. We start our lesson today. Does anyone know the goal of passing the ball? The goal of passing is to give the ball to a friend in order to build an attack. Types of passing in football: passing with the inside of the foot, passing with the outside of the foot, and then instep kick. How to passing the ball correctly? The first type is passing with the inside of the foot. The first way is initial attitude, the position of the player facing the ball. One of the legs that will kick is rotated outwards so that the legs go straight facing the ball. Some things to consider when passing: feet next to the ball and the legs are swing from back to front. Tending the ball using the inside of the foot. When doing passing with the inside of the foot, hitting the ball right on the dip from the thumb to the inner ankle. When the foot is in contact with the ball, ace should be on the ball. When the ball is kicked, the foot used continue to swing. The second type is passing with the outside of the foot. The first way, position facing the ball and slightly leaning forward. The area of the foot that touch the ball is outside the foot or from the little 2 feet down. When the ball starts to hit the outside of the foot, look focus on the ball and continue to look at the target to be aimed. Hit the ball on the outside of the foot or from the little finger to the outside of the ankle. After kicking, there is a follow-up movement, also called follow-through. The types in step kick. The first way is position the body with a slight lean forward. The kick starts from pulling the leg and swinging it forward. When it hits the back of the foot, the eyes sees the ball and then process to the target to be addressed or friends one team. After kicking, there is follow-up movement, also called follow-through. Next, we talk about mistakes made in passing the ball. The first is the foot that used to rest is not parallel to the side of the ball. The second is the foot used for passing is not in accordance with its use. For example, kick with the outside of the foot for a long range pass. The third is the ball that is kicked doesn't hit the foot in the right position, so that reduce ball power and accuracy. Next, when passing the body is too stiff and not relaxed. Next, when passing, do not pay attention to the balance factor, so it can fall due to personal error. Okay, everybody, that's all for today. Thank you and see you.